What's up everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make 10 cents per image you click. This is going to be easy PayPal money that you can make, so all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship, internet marketing tips and much more on a consistent basis. And hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, this is going to be a short one, so make sure you watch the whole thing here so you don't miss out on any important information. And you're probably not going to get rich with this kind of opportunity, so if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, you definitely need to check out my #1 recommendation right here below after this video, of course. But for now, this is a perfect opportunity. It's a super easy method, so all you have to do is stick around here and watch the whole thing, as I said earlier, to get started, to make a few extra bucks while you get started with your real online business and building a full-time passive income online there. Alright, enough talk. With that being said, let's get started. So the site that we are going to have a look at first here today is actually usabilityhub.com. This is how it looks when you arrive to the site, and we are of course interested in becoming a tester, but first let's have a look here real quick what it is all about. So you can see here that one of world's largest companies here like Amazon, Google, TaskRabbit, Box, GoDaddy, Asana and many more, they actually use Usability Hub here for getting feedback from testers like you. And it is on different images. They want to know what converts best when they get started with, let's say they launch a new product or something like that. They want to see what kind of image. So they ask you actually to take a test and click on the images what you feel is more attractive. And we're going to have a look at it in detail actually. I'm going to show you an example also here. So if you just have a look. So you can see here first click test, design surveys, preference test and 5-second tests are the few of the tests that there is available for them here. And if we go to the section actually where it says become a tester, we will be redirected to this site which is usercrowd.com. And you can see here you participate in quick design surveys, help make products better and get paid doing it. So quick and easy to do, you don't need to be a usability expert. In fact, most test creators prefer ordinary people over professional designers and developers. So this is why it is so easy to do. And you can see here, you get paid for each response you provide. And once you accumulated at least 100 credits, you can request a payout, and of course via PayPal. So you see here UserCrowd pays 10 cents US dollars per credit earned. Okay, most tests pays 1 to 2 credits per response, and some pay more. And as they said earlier here, when you reach the $10, you can actually request a payout. You also get the real-time notifications here on this site. So just if I go back a little bit here to Usability Hub, let's have a look at resources and we can have a look at the examples here. Okay, so here are a few examples. So you can see here how long does it take to customers to find a product on my e-commerce sites. Can users find a link in my email marketing message? So let's take someone here, I don't know. Let's see here, will my app store listing convert well? So you can actually look at the view results, but let's say that we want to take the test so you can see how simple it is. Alright, so let's get started, and they ask you something here. How important is an app icon when you're purchasing mobile? If you think that an app icon is important, very important, which of the below when you're choosing a mobile game? Okay, let's take the app icon and then click to view the image. So you see here, so confirm, boom, there. And why did you choose that? Okay, so you can see how easy it is to do this kind of a test, and it took me probably less than a minute here to do only this, and you can do this again and again. So it's super easy to reach up to $10 with this kind of tests here. So there you have it, really simple and straightforward. You can go back to the examples here. Let's say, for example, that we want to take these tests again. You've been invited, start. Okay, do you play games every now and then? What kind of a games? I'm just clicking on something here. Alright, click to view the images. Which art do I prefer? Okay, I like this one. Now, why did I click on it? Probably click to zoom out again, and so on. So really super easy to do this kind of task. So just go, neither if you go to usabilityhub.com or UserCrowd, you can actually get started here, so you can have a look at the details before you click on the Become a Tester, because when you click here you will be redirected to UserCrowd and you find out all the details. So become a tester now. You need to fill in the details, of course, and follow the instructions later on. Alright, there you have it on how you can make 10 cents every time you click on an image. Really super easy PayPal money here to make. As I said, you're probably not going to get rich with this kind of opportunity, so if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, you want to check out my #1 recommendation right here below. If you got some value on this video, I really appreciate if you hit the like button below. Don't leave yet, you'll find an end screen with 2 channel recommendations. Both are mine and both are related to make money online, work from home, productivity tips, internet marketing related tips and much more. I upload those on a consistent basis. Make sure you hit the notification bell also, so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.